I never thought that I would be renovating our kitchen with a 12-week-old in tow, but knowing that, you know, we have the home installs team and they're professionals and like everything has been ordered and everything is ready, set, go, and we're gonna get the timeline like as realistic as possible so we know what to expect. And having all those pieces in place, like I'm excited, I'm nervous, but I'm very trusting of the team. Okay, so this is why we need a new kitchen. I know no, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all, okay? We had this random cabinet that we found at the thrift store that just happened to fit the peeling, chipping hardware that at some point was spray painted. They're not really on the rails anymore. You can't fit anything in the cabinets, like no cereal boxes, you can barely fit a box of crackers, like nothing will fit up here. Okay, so let's talk about the sink. It's not centered under the window, which I don't know why. This entire wall is being pulled down as part of the demo so that the kitchen will move this way, which will obviously let us move the fridge out of the center of the room. The home installs demo crew arrives first thing tomorrow morning. So we are taking the girls. We're gonna stay in an Airbnb for a couple of weeks while the messiest of messes is happening.
Everything is out in boxes. We gotta move things out of the house. We gotta move things out of the kitchen. It's chaos, but it's about to go, so.
Yeah, it's good. Let's pick out some outfits you wanna wear. What do you wanna wear tomorrow? Purple dinosaur ones?
No, Kit Kat.
Do you wanna bring this one?
Yes.
Okay, and your cheetah one?
Yes.
Okay, put those in the bag. I'm done. Okay. So right now, I'm a little bit freaked out about this wall, but I do have to pick a pink color. I've got all my paint chips out, and I think I'm gonna head into Home Hardware over the weekend and just like feel into it a bit.
Coffee.
Thank you.
It's been nice staying in here, but I'm ready to have our home back. Everything centers around the kitchen through the course of the day.
Yeah, 8,000 snacks through the day with the kids.
Yeah.
Making bottles.
2 slices?
No, 4 slices.
4 slices? Okay, we're gonna start with 2. And watch this. Just being in this house with this smaller apartment style kitchen has made me miss our real home kitchen. One more. Boom. Sound good?
Boom, boom.
We have our rituals, and for you it's baking.
Yeah.
For me it's making pizzas.
Yeah.
Right, and so much of that it's in the kitchen, it has to. So I miss that.
I'm like, how many pizza doughs can you fit in on the new counter space?
I'm already plotting that out, actually. Where am I gonna make the pizzas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I give myself a bit of grace with these things. Like, I am not a professional designer. We definitely leaned on the design team at Home Hardware to help us with the layout of the kitchen. We needed the professionals to design the space.
Yeah.
I'm not a designer. I'm just a mom who likes pretty things. It's not real yet, and I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
And have it be. Like, I feel like we're gonna have this moment, we're gonna be like, why wasn't it like this always? Like, it's always been like this. We'll kind of just like forget how bad it was for the last 8 years.
I'm excited too.
I feel like we're in the messy middle, literally and figuratively. The electrical is halfway done. The floors feel like there's still a bit of work to be done there. The cabinets are part of the way in. We have no counters yet, no sink. So it's coming together, but I'm still having trouble visualizing the end result. hard for me to even remember what it was like when we were in the messy middle, because as soon as we turned that corner and we were able to get paint on the walls and put our things back in the cabinets and just move in, it was like this huge sigh of relief.
I'm pretty happy right now. This kitchen is where I spend a lot of my time. I do the meal prep, a lot of the cleaning, and just having the space now where I know like Piper can be playing in the background, I can have the baby sitting in here with me, Erin's bouncing around, and we're not in each other's way. We're just kind of hanging out as a family. It's just made this space a family space.
Honestly, when I was able to just bake for the whole day, I had so much space and I was able to, I don't know, I think I made cookies and bread and cupcakes all in one day. It felt like home. The only regret I have is that we didn't renovate the kitchen sooner. When I walked into the room and I was tearing up with happy tears because it was just exactly the way I've always wanted my kitchen to feel. And I think I've probably, not every day, but I've cried a lot since we've moved back in, just happy tears because I'm just so grateful for the space and what it's done for our family.